Hi guys, Mike Goldstein of EasyDatingCoach.com. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic, how to create an emotional connection with him. So now we need to reverse engineer this. So emotional connection. Well, first of all, what emotion do you want him to feel? Do you want him to feel fun, excited, sad, happy, joyous? I don't know. So first think about what emotion you want him to feel, and then think about how we're going to execute that. Now, as your dating coach and in charge of your love life, if you'll allow me to be, the emotion you want him to feel is fun. If he's having fun, there's a very high likely chance he will come back. And so it just confounds me at how we go about dating sometimes. If we want him to feel fun so that he comes back, and not to mention you're going to have fun too, how are we going to accomplish this? So what we do is we say we want him to feel fun, and then we almost consistently go on the exact same date, which is drinks, and we sit there and we interview each other. And quite frankly, I've been on enough of these drinking dates, and so have you, and most of the time it's not that fun. And even when you do have a great connection, that feels great because you're like, wow, we have all these things in common and we have all these values, all these similar interests. And you're like, this is exciting. But it wasn't even that much fun. You sat there and you talked about it. You didn't get to do anything that's fun. So what I would suggest if you're on these dating apps or on these full dating sites is maybe in your first question or two, asking what they thoroughly enjoy and what they have fun. And if it's hiking, if it's going on walks, if it's walks on the beach, if it's going surfing, if it's playing soccer, if it's playing chess, if it's going to an art museum, find out what that is. And then if the guy says, hey, let's go on a date, say, wonderful. How about we do one of those fun things you suggested that you like? Assuming now, make sure if you're going on this date that you guys have something that is common that you both enjoy. So this is going to be fun for both of you. Now, I love this feminine way of saying like, hey, I want you to pick something of these fun things we both enjoy. So you're kind of leading him to water. You're not saying, hey, I love soccer, let's go play soccer, and stepping on your masculine side and kind of telling him what the date's going to be. We're allowing him to make the choice, allowing him to be the man and set the date and pick what the date is, but we're leading him to it. Hey, we both like, yoga and playing soccer. How about we do one of those fun things? It's like, yeah, let's do yoga. I've got this amazing place that's halfway between us. We'll go do that. And now what's amazing about these dates is when you go do these activities that you enjoy, your oxytocin levels increase, his testosterone increase. And when you do this activity at the end of it, everyone's boosted up and on a happy place. And now when you talk about your similar interests and talk about your values, you're already at this heightened place. Instead of, if you're kind of bored with the whole, all right, well, let's go to a bar and have a drink, where you're like, okay, here's another chore. Here's another job interview for my love life. Instead, you're like, I already do this in my normal routine. I love going to yoga. I'm at yoga. We're having fun. Now I'm excited to be here, and I want to get to know this person because we have similar things and we're doing them and I'm having fun. Yes. So this is advanced level dating, and we're not doing it enough because I don't know why, but these emotional connections really get us together. And when we're doing the things that we love, we're already in a happy state. So try it out and see what happens. And, I had a prior video on this, but be careful too. Just because we're building that emotional connection doesn't mean we don't also then need to do the stuff we do when we're at the drink date, which is, do we have the same values? Do we have at least a good amount of similar interests so that we can spend time together and enjoy each other? So if we can do all of that, we're going to build butterflies with the emotional connection. We're going to be excited because we have similar values and similar interests. And we can really optimize our dating experience and make it fun instead of a chore. and we're going to build strong emotional connections with partners, and we're going to have men that don't disappear because they're having fun. You're not going to want to keep going out with the guy because you're having fun. So this is really exciting and powerful stuff. All right. I love all of you. I want to hook you up with a free gift. This is one of my fan favorites. It's how to get and keep a guy forever. This is my most advanced stuff, and I make it very easy, very simple. It's going to walk you through the 4 things you need to do to make a guy want to stick around forever. And this is really powerful. So definitely get your hands on it. I will put it in the description, and I will also put it as the top comment so you can click it and get it. It's a short video, I think 5 minutes. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you get notifications when I have new videos. I'm going to put a new video out every Tuesday, and I love all of you. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next week. Bye-bye.